How to upgrade your T90 soldering iron in seconds. Download the file at n.alientek.com. Connect with a USB-C cable. Plug the end into your PC. Hold B. Plug in the T90. Release when the screen says updating. The upgrade tool will auto-detect the device. Click Local. File. Choose the downloaded firmware. Hit Start. Wait. Done. If it shows volume low, that's normal. Just use a power supply above 9 volts. Now your T90 is upgraded. Smarter, faster, better soldering. Upgrade yours today and follow us for more pro tips.